Hi, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to go over having the correct scripts active and deactive on the actual characters. So I'm just going to open up the Black Robot prefab and we'll go through. In fact, we should be able to find it this way. So I've been over this before, but it's very important. This must be correct. So if we come to the hands, as you can see, we have the sphere collider, the play punch left, opponent punch left. We also have the same for the right hand. And if we go through, as you can see, we come to the foot here and we have all the kick scripts attached. Now, you must go through and apply that to all your characters. And in your scene, you must make sure that the fight intro, load match, fight GUI are all attached. So let's have a look, and we'll also add back in, we'll need the fight camera script. This will not work if this is not attached to the main camera in your fighting scene. So we'll just come back to splash screen, we'll save that, and now we'll come to the scripts. And we want to open up the Player 1 Manager. And also the Opponent Manager. Okay, we'll begin with Player 1. We're going to come down to these 4 lines where on the player, we enable the Player 1 movement and health and disable the opponent AI and the opponent health on the character. And again, we've been through this before. Obviously, those scripts are attached to the main body of the prefab. And again, you must make sure that all 4 of those scripts are applied to each character. So let's begin. I'm going to put a comment up the top here. Set player scripts to active. Let's just copy that, we'll paste it in here. Set opponent scripts to inactive. And this will just make the script easier to read when we quickly look at it. We'll copy one of the player get component lines. So we cannot use get component, we must use get component in children. Again, this will not work if you just used get component, so very important. And we'll begin player high kick enabled true, so let's change that in the comments. And let's break this line up. We'll just break it up there. Let's copy that line. We'll paste that in. Obviously we're going to change it to low kick. Again, we'll change that into comments, and of course we're going to have to paste that in twice for the player punch script. So player punch left, and of course the player punch right. We'll tidy up and we'll change the comment. And we'll change it here also. So player punch right. Let's just copy those 4 lines. We'll copy and we'll paste those in. And we'll just go through and change what needs to be changed. So obviously now we're going to be changing all these to false. So let's just paste in false on all 4. And obviously it's going to be the opponent's scripts this time. So opponent high kick, opponent low kick, opponent punch left, opponent punch right, and let's just tidy up and we'll go through and change the comments. We'll just copy opponent and paste it over player. And let's save that off. Now we'll copy the 4 lines from the set player scripts to active. Just made a typo. We'll quickly just correct that, and we'll come to the opponent. And we're going to do the exact same things. Again, we'll put in a comment, so set player scripts this time to inactive. And here we'll say set opponent scripts to active. And we'll go through and change this. So player 1 character, first in each of the 4 lines we're just going to copy and paste current opponent over those. And again we'll copy and paste false over all 4 lines. Let's just quickly tidy everything up. And we'll just copy and paste disable over enable in the comments. And where we say set opponent scripts, let's again copy the 4 lines from the opponent scripts to inactive from the 1 player script. and we'll paste these in again. Again, over player 1 character, we're going to copy and paste in underscore current opponent. And this time we're going to copy and paste over false with the true statement. So there we go. Let's save that off. We'll just have a quick check through. I think I've missed something here. Yep. So I'm just come back to the one player. We need to say disable rather than enable for these 4 lines. So let's just go over that. And we'll save that off there. We'll leave it here for this lesson. Now we have all the appropriate scripts, either set to active and inactive, and we'll pick this up in the very next lesson. So until then, as always, bye for now.